So pro number one, right off the top here, it is evening time, but it is very visible in sunlight, which is really nice. So I got an analog display there, but it is showing up really good. And while I'm walking, that's exactly what I want. I want to be able to see it in the sunlight. Yeah, that's the whole point, right? All right, second pro right off the top here with the Fitbit Versa 4 here. The display has a big enough font where I can see it. And that's so important when walking, especially walking outdoors. But I had a problem with the Fitbit Inspire 3 and the 2. The font size was just too small, but with the Versa 4 here, you can see that the display is big enough. The third pro here on the Fitbit Versa 4 here, it has a nice designated button for walking itself. So that left, I guess, icon there, if I push that, that's the walk one. And then it goes straight into the walk exercise mode. So it's really quick release. I'm not really thinking. And then it gives you a bunch of statistics here that you can use, which I use the time the most and the zone minutes I look at. So don't really look at the distance, but yeah. And then of course I look at steps as well. So as you can see, it fires up there. I've just got to put it onto the steps there. It's not catching completely in real time, but it does eventually update. But it's just really nice to have the steps in a nice big display. I'm going to be emphasizing on that in this whole video, but it's just nice to have that there. Yeah. Moving on to the next pro here, the automatic walk detection outside does work wonders. It kicks in around the 7 to 8 minute mark when I'm walking. I think I set it to 10 minutes to pick up automatic walk detect, but I'm actually not sure. I'll have to go back and look. Inside on the treadmill, it does not pick up at all, actually. So I haven't had automatic walk detection pick up on the treadmill once yet. Maybe that's just me. Maybe I'm not walking hard enough. I have no idea. But outside, outdoors, out and about, automatic walk detection is awesome, which is the pro. I guess that's a con that it doesn't pick up on the treadmill, but yeah, okay, yeah. Okay, moving on to the first con here. When I am in walking mode or the walking exercise program, there is no way that I can go back to the clock face. So I am stuck looking at this display here, and if I want to go back, it pops up and it says resume. And then I don't know, I've tried everything, but I cannot get back to my regular clock face. So I'm not sure why they did it that way, but basically when I do activate the walk exercise, this is what I'm stuck looking at. It's okay once in a while, but sometimes I just want to look at my regular clock face during the walks. Okay, moving on to the next con here. Right here where the band is, you've got this kind of clip button that you have to kind of push forward, and then the band comes apart, and then that's the clip right there. And then you push it in and it fastens into place. I just find this is over time going to wear down or something, and it's just going to pop off. But it feels just a little bit too easy to take on and off. Like I just hope it stays in there. So yeah, I'm gonna put that in the con section for now. Nothing major has happened yet, but hopefully we'll see what happens. Okay, so I guess the question is, do I regret purchasing the Fitbit Versa 4 after I bought it? And I can say nope. I think the pros outweigh the cons in this situation here. I just find the Fitbit Versa 4 fits for walking, for my style of walking, and because I don't wear the Fitbit Versa 4 for sleep data, so it's generally it holds in good shape. But yeah, that's my 2 cents for the Fitbit Versa 4, the pros and cons there when it comes to walking. Yeah, till the next one, Ryan.